The NutriChef 8" fry pan with lid is a great little helper in the kitchen. It's like a trusty sidekick for your cooking adventures. This small skillet has a non-stick surface. Food slides off easily, and cleanup is a breeze. The blue silicone handle feels good in your hand. It stays cool while you cook, so you don't have to worry about burning yourself. This NutriChef 8" fry pan with lid is also stain resistant. That means spills and splatters are no big deal. This pan is made with a ceramic coating. This coating helps food cook evenly. It also means you can use less oil. That's a good choice for healthier meals. The included lid is a nice touch. It helps trap heat and moisture. This can help your food cook faster and stay warm. The dimensions of this NutriChef 8" fry pan with lid make it perfect for small tasks. Think frying an egg or sautéing some veggies. It won't take up too much space on your stovetop or in your cabinet. If you are looking for a reliable small frying pan, this could be it. It's not as big as a Viking pan, but it gets the job done. You can probably find it on Amazon.com. It seems like a solid choice for everyday cooking. It offers good control while you are flipping pancakes or stirring sauces. While it doesn't make any grand pledge to revolutionize your cooking, the NutriChef 8" fry pan with lid is a dependable tool. It makes cooking simpler, and that's a big plus any day. For anyone looking for a dependable non-stick pan without any over-the-top claims, the OXO Good Grips 8" frying pan is a great choice. It's practical, easy to use, and easy to clean. It won't suddenly turn you into a gourmet chef, but it will make everyday cooking less of a chore. This OXO Good Grips 8" frying pan is a workhorse, not a show pony, and sometimes, that's exactly what you need in your kitchen. Pros: 8" size, includes a lid, small skillet, non-stick surface, silicone handle, ceramic coating, blue handle, stain resistant, easy to clean, professional quality, for home cooking. Cons: ceramic coating, silicone handle, only 8", might be too small, not for large meals. Handle could get hot, coating may degrade, could scratch easily. Features: with lid, small skillet, non-stick, frying pan, silicone handle, ceramic coating, blue silicone handle, stain resistant, easy to clean. This NutriChef 8" fry pan is a small, non-stick skillet that comes with a lid. It has a ceramic coating, which makes it easy to clean and helps food not stick. The pan features a blue silicone handle that stays cool when you are cooking. It is also stain resistant and designed for professional home cooking. This NutriChef 8" fry pan is a small, non-stick skillet that comes with a lid and a blue silicone handle. It has a ceramic coating, which makes it stain resistant and easy to clean. And it's designed for home cooking with professional quality. However, its small size means it's not ideal for large meals. And there's a possibility the handle could get hot or the ceramic coating might degrade or scratch over time.